Welcome back to our channel. So last week I introduced you to 3 of our top picks in the lithium space. So today I'm going to show you how to evaluate lithium companies quickly. So before we get started, if you like what we do, please encourage us, share, like and subscribe. Alright, so when we value mining companies, we typically use 3 valuation techniques. Number 1, a discounted cash flow model or a DCF model. Number 2, a real options model. And number 3, a comparables valuation model. Now the first 2 models can be time sensitive, requires extensive due diligence, but the third one is relatively easy and quick, and that's the model I'm going to show you in this video. Now, and anytime you're looking into a resource company, I strongly encourage you to do a quick comparables valuation model before you dig deeper into the company's fundamentals. Okay, so here's how you do it. It's a 5-step process. Number 1, take a look at the company's resource estimate. This you can find in the company's presentation or the company's website. Now, once you find the resource estimate, go to step 2. Take 100% of the company's measured and indicated resources and 50% of the inferred resources. You get that number, move to step 3. In step 3, multiply that number by $100. And in step 4, take that number and add the company's cash position and deduct the company's debt. You get a number. And that's the fair value of the company's project. In step 5, divide the fair value by the number of shares outstanding. You get the fair value per share based on this comparables valuation model. And now when you compare the fair value you just got to company's stock price, you can get an idea if the shares are undervalued or overvalued. Alright, so let's do a real life case study to help you get a better understanding of how to do a comparables valuation model. I've chosen Lithium Chile. It's a recent report of ours. We recently evaluated the company. You can check out the report on researchfrc.com. Now let's see through our 5-step process on how to do a comparables valuation on Lithium Chile. Step 1, we found Lithium Chile's resource estimate, which we found on the company's website. We found that they have 1.4 million tons of lithium carbonate in indicated resources and 1.3 million tons lithium carbonate in inferred resources. Step 2, calculate 100% of indicated resources and 50% of inferred resources, and then you get 2 million tons lithium carbonate, which is 100% of 1.4 and 50% of 1.3. Step 3, take this 2 million tons of lithium carbonate and multiply that by $100 and you get $200 a ton. Now, what is this $100 a ton? That is the sector average enterprise value to resource of lithium juniors. Now we at Fundamental, we keep a track of this metric for all commodities, and lithium juniors are currently trading at $100 a ton, and this number keeps changing almost on a daily basis. And if you want to know the most recent number, you can check out any of our recent reports on any of the commodities you're looking at, and you can find that number in that specific report. Alright, so moving to step 3, we multiply 2 million tons by $100 a ton. Step 2, calculate 100% of indicated resources of 1.4 million tons and 50% of inferred resources of 1.3 million tons. You get 2 million tons. That's the number we're going to use for valuation. Step 3, multiply 2 million tons by $100. You get $200 million. That's the fair value of Lithium Chile's project based on the comparables valuation model. Now, why did we use $100? Now, that's the average metric that lithium juniors are trading right now. It's also called the enterprise value to resource ratio. We keep a track of this number for all the commodities out there. And if you're looking for the most recent number, you can check out any of our reports, recent reports on that specific commodity, and you'll find the most recent or most up-to-date sector average metric of that metal. Now, lithium juniors are trading at $100. That's why we're using $100 in this case. Going back to step 3, Lithium Chile's net resource is about 2 million tons. Multiply by that by 100, you get $200 million. Step 4, add Lithium Chile's cash position and deduct debt. Company has $30 million in cash but no debt. So you add $30 million to $200 million, you get $230 million. That's step 4. That is the fair value of Lithium Chile stock based on a comparables valuation model. Step 5, divide that number by the shares outstanding, which is 206 million shares for Lithium Chile. You get $1.12 per share. Now compare that number to Lithium Chile's stock price, which is 60 cents now, which kind of give us an indication that Lithium Chile shares could be potentially undervalued. So that's what I have for you today. As before, if you like what we do, please encourage us, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with you next week with more ideas.